Pag umaresto ka ng tao, pag inaresto ka ng pulis, pwedeng hindi dala ng pulis ang warrant mo. Pwede. Sasabihin lang ng pulis kayo, uy, arestado ka, may warrant ka. Nasaan ang warrant? Doon sa istasyon, halika na. That's perfectly legal.
Tama ba ang pahayag ni General? Oh, tama. Legal ba arestuhin ang tao ng pulis kahit walang dalang warrant? Oh, legal. Dahil ang nakasaad sa Rules of Court 113 Section 7, method of arrest by officer by virtue of warrant. When making an arrest by virtue of a warrant, the officer shall inform the person to be arrested of the cause of the arrest and of the fact that a warrant has been issued for his arrest, except when he flees or forcibly resists before the officer has opportunity to so inform him, or when the giving of such information will imperil the arrest. The officer need not have the warrant in his possession at the time of the arrest, but after the arrest, if the person arrested so requires, the warrant shall be shown to him as soon as practicable. At ang nabanggit sa huling pangungusap ay, the officer need not have the warrant in his possession at the time of the arrest. Sa pahayag na iyan ay nangangahulugang hindi kailangan dala palagi ng pulis ang warrant ng isang suspect. For example, ikaw ay pulis, nakita mo ang suspect kaso wala kang dalang warrant, di mo pwede sabihin, teka diyan ka lang, kukunin ko muna ang warrant mo sa station. Babalikan kita para hulihin. At ang kadugtong ng pangungusap, but after the arrest, if the person arrested so requires, the warrant shall be shown to him as soon as practicable. Ang ibig sabihin, pagkatapos mong maaresto ang suspect, ipakita mo agad sa suspect ang kanyang warrant.